Guys, Hatman Projects here. Today we are going to make a solar panel microwave with only using a pair of scissors, a empty cereal box. No, it's not. Really? Now it is. Okay. And it's okay then. And then some aluminum foil. So what you want to do is you want to cut a fold. Now I use cornflakes. You can use any type of cereal bowl or cereal bowl, whatever. Okay. Put it. And I got it. Wow, this is horrible. I'm gonna try this. I bet you'll do better than me. And that just cut until you have a fold, which is super hard to make. What is that? And once it's done, it should look like nothing like this because I failed. It should look like around this time. Let me just get off the like that. Has a fold. Then what you want to do is like angle it so like that. I did too short. Yeah?
Can you start all over and do it with you?
Yeah, I failed on that one anyhow. I forgot one more thing that you need tape, so that's why I paused it. So, some videos are weird. So you want to have like, so now, let me just tape this. This is not what you do. I did this wrong. You just want to tape it like this. If you failed, like me. If you're a failure. Alright, good. Sounds mean, but yep, good. Alright, so then you should have like that, as I said before. I really think, I think you should tape off this side down here, where like the folds are. You guys can't see me. You have to see my handsome face. So let's just focus. Oh my god. If I were to do this, I would do this in my room. That'd be the #1 space, but I don't have a desk. Nah. So then you want to tape this right here. Get it a good amount. Tape like this. And then you want to try to get it. Yeah. And this is really cheap. The cereal is probably like $5. Scissors are like $3. I don't know. Tape's like $2. I don't know. It all depends where you buy it. And then, so then you want to grab your aluminum foil. And then you want to cut. So, try to get like your parents to do, because you can cut yourself with this. That's about like right here. You just want to cut it. Either way works. You can use down here, or if you want a piece. Then you want to angle it so this size. So I got just over the amount. So let me just I guess you just want a little bit extra. So, just a little bit extra. Then what you want to do is with tape, you want to cut it a big piece. Then you want to fold it backwards so you have like a tape roll or whatever they call it. Then you want to do it 9 times, I guess, all around. So let me just do that. I'm going to pause the video while I do that. This is going to be a while. And I know the graphics are horrible. So now I have my tin foil, I have all the paper. Now I just want to stick it up here, like so. So now, like that. So, right now. So this is how it works. So now you want to put, well, no, I shouldn't say how it works now. You're going to get a big piece. That's just very easy and simple. And put it on the whole bottom, like so. And let me get some extra. That's about. Cut myself. So you want to put it like that. And then you want to just tape it. It's fine. You can do what I did up here with the 9. But this one, it doesn't really matter. That one can fly away. Big piece here. And I'm sorry, I just don't have a good place to show this. If I were to do it on my desk, it'd be 10 times as better. See, this is a good time to keep it out. Because then the sun's going to beam on this one and bang onto this one where your food is. And then in about like minutes or so, you should be done. I would say this is like good survival. I don't know. I would say it's like good survival because say there was like a virus going around and you were like trapped in a room with the aluminum foil tape and like you were surprisingly stuck in a room with aluminum foil tape and a cereal box with a fold. Then you can make this. How convenient. Alright. This corner right here is getting on my nerves. So there's a ton of other hacks which aluminum foil can take place in. If you want to do more stuff like this, more things like this, just let me know in the comments. I check comments for every video. The comments for every video. I know I made 16. I barely get any nice comments, but still, there's some. And it folds in right here. Oh, this side's gonna be easy. Do a giant one. Don't fold in, don't. What is that? I don't even know what you are. Is that a bee? Is that a hornet? Oh, yep, that's a hornet. See you later. I hate hornets. Oh, God. Oh,
He's gone.
I do not like hornets. Alright, quickly done. Well, it's summertime and summer's here. Okay, so let me grab this. That's the epic fail I just did. Trying to tape around.
Didn't work.
No, that worked. So now look at this. The sun will beam off of this. Slide down onto this one. This one will heat up, heating the food from the top and the bottom. So, but I say pointed to the way of the sun. Like the sun's up there. So it bounced off to this one and on this one. And that is a solar panel mic. That is a solar panel microwave. See you later.